guys, welcome back to Dub Chinese. 我係你哋嘅老師 Garia. Today we are going to learn in Cantonese words 人工. Before we start it, just use 1 second to subscribe my YouTube channel, okay? So 人工 means salary. It's always a secret thing in Asian culture as well, but maybe it's not that serious. If you and I are friends and we work as different jobs, and maybe you could ask my salary. For example, 你嘅人工幾多啊？你嘅人工幾多啊？你嘅 your 人工 salary 幾多 how much 你嘅人工幾多啊 how much is your salary? So high salary is 人工高 and low salary 人工低 For example, everyone wants a high salary job. 個個人都想搵份人工高嘅工。個個人都想搵份人工高嘅工。Last time we have already learned 搵工 it means find a job, right? 個個人 everyone 都 or 想 want 搵份工 find a job 人工高 high salary 個個人都想搵份人工高嘅工。個個人都想搵份人工高嘅工。Everyone wants to find a high salary job. 做老師人工好低啊！做老師人工好低啊！做老師 be a teacher 人工 salary 好低啊 very low 做老師人工好低啊 The salary for a teacher is low. You have a job interview and then you would like to know how much is salary. So you could ask 呢份工幾多錢人工啊？呢份工幾多錢人工啊？呢份工 this job 幾多錢 how much 人工 salary 呢份工幾多錢人工啊 How much is this job's position salary? And maybe for Asian culture, we would like to give our parents some money once when we get our salary. But I didn't because I live outside. So I could say 我一收到人工就俾啲錢我爹哋媽咪。我一收到人工就俾啲錢我爹哋媽咪。I 一就 once when 收到 get 人工 salary 就俾啲錢我爹哋媽咪。俾啲錢 give some money 我爹哋媽咪 my parents 我一收到人工就俾啲錢我爹哋媽咪。Once when I get my salary, I will give my parents some money. If you would like to learn more daily Cantonese words, don't forget to subscribe my channel, Dub Chinese with Garia, and don't forget to give me a big thumb up. Your support is quite important for me. What's more, if you would like to have a private lessons with me, you could check the Italki link below. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.